Give me ball. Yeah, boy, run down the ball, boy. Run it down. Oh, man. Why free, man?
Goal!
Oh, man. Big match, you know? Big match for Champions League, you know? Yeah. Yo, go be black, man. Oh, man.
Now, for me, I come here, you ball out. Goal.
Yeah, a big match, man. A Champions League, you know? Big football. You don't know nothing about football, yeah, man.
You know, me know football man like how no still, but me know one and two player, you see me? Ah, you love for your football differently, do you know? But me I come up here goal. And what kind of defending no?
Boy, they not defend good, man. I don't know I want team and them, brother. You love me vex, brother.
You love for your football differently, you know?
You know football is life, man. So what I did, man, bro?
You know say, me there do. But when me not even come up in a lane, come give a link, I know say, yeah man, here for the on the front. But I say today is Sunday, you know, you know, go to church, you know, so we don't say you're there, you know.
Yeah, man, me there, man. Say time cool and sitting, man.
Oh, God, man, you're the right place under the tree, yeah, brother. I'm sorry, see your name. Mango then already. I'm name 2, you know. I'm not even name nothing for a morning, no. You see me? Right now, when a big man left, you know, I link every piece of food, you know, bro. Right now, me there, me broke, me frost. Yeah, man, that's why I'll come link you. I'm not even grown.
Yeah, wrong time link me, you know. Wrong bomba time link me, brother. Look over this, as I can see me buy some block and buy 1 yard of sand and 1 yard of stone, because I want to build up a acting and sitting, you see me? Yeah, man. I want to fling to walk in there, you know, bro.
That makes sense. So, not even grand enough for you.
Oh, brother. None of that for me, bro. Right now, I'm cursive and sing me a verse, brother. There I go and enjoy some football. You say you know eat prawn morning. Huh? You know eat prawn yesterday, brother. Hungry I kill me, bad man. You don't even know if no crackers are nothing.
Yeah, my son a stone for sure. And black, happen reach far.
Yeah, bro, so I tell you, say all the house, brother, man, paint you up and sit.
Oh, the man happy, man, you see. When you have for 2 days. 3 gold chain around your neck. And for me, I come a man a ball out. Goal. That even 1,000 like man. Oh. There's some friend there. Yo, left it to God.
Boy, man, I tell you, bro.
God, no. Bro. You say, miss. Yeah, here we are. Right now, 1,000 and me chop a yard for you, brother. Even in front part alone, because yo, here I know. You're desperate, bro. Because right now, all my catty want to come across and frost. And you have to make no sense to make she come across. You know, you go with woman already, brother. One woman come across and check it out at you. Nag, man, yes. So not even 1,000 up on your account, brother.
No, bro, man, I tell you the truth, not even $1,000, brother. I say, yeah, look, man, if you have a man, would I definitely give it, father.
Yeah, man, ever out there in the street, you know.
Boy, man, I tell you, say, nothing no go on for the hustle, bro. Nothing at all. Nothing. Bro, you know, say, as you talk about Max, I have a piece of history to tell you, bro.
Now, what go on?
You know, say, me carry one champion. Come here other day. When I tell you, say, round, brother. Me I tell you, broad, you know. Broad, something me I tell you, bro. Me carry woman come, brother. Me I tell you, say, me did it, and me I tell you, say, we did it, no, man. We did it, no, man. And we did it about the 4th round, you know, brother. You know, say, bed could hold, brother.
Oh, yeah,
the bed could hold up, brother. Guess what, brother? Me have him pan up. And the bed broke down, you know, brother. Yo, but say embarrassed till, brother.
Yeah.
And me a big man. Man, you know, moms take up in clothes and put on, you know, brother. And every week set good pan head and gone, you know, brother. All me I tell him say, yo, forward back, brother. The girl all block me, you know, brother. Right now you go in there, go look pan the bed, brother. One of them, you have to, they cut up his brother. Other day, bad.
Other day.
Yesterday.
You know what's a boy? I see one champion come out of the lane. Yeah.
Me come, so brother, I see one mosquito and me clap and like me clap
too hard. I'm 2 days.
over, brother.
And
Like
I yesterday you can girl on the ends go for 4 rounds until bed all pop down.
So right now, me dey even have nothing.
Them man can't actually call himself. Them man take me for one big papi show.
So me I tell you, bro. Everything just up the wrong time, brother. So right now, me dey even have nothing. Because watch out, I have to go buy one bed right now. Or get to a bed food for a while I furnish some and them, bro. So me I tell you, bro. Nothing at all. When a big man level, bro. No this thing or nothing. When last you look at her, bro?
Youth, I've been try a couple places well, brother. You see me? I mean, I tell them, I know if I see them and see me look like a hoodlum or what, brother, but they tell me, say, call me back, and I know me can't get a call back. You see me? Yeah.
This a man, who am I try to fool with in crayfish brain? Eh?
Check one place and me have one good idea.
Every time the man calling me a money want, brother. Money. Yo, brother, I walk if you go looking, I come tell man, boy, you know he done this and that.
Yeah.
So yo, wait. You know want truck license, brother? Biggest truck license you can drive all 12 speed and then sitting there, brother. What really going with that, bro?
Yo. Why? Me have to laugh, yo. It's with the truck license, brother. It's a drama. They work for one man, you know, brother. For the truck, you know. You know, say, boss catch me. They chop in girl in a truck, brother.
Yo. Where really see all that go? Where you say?
You come like you're deaf, bro. A man catch me and chop in girl in a truck and run though. So me now know work and them man they have the most truck there, so the man make sure say and tell all his friend them say yo, no hire the youth them. So right now before left for the parish right now, I want to walk on a truck.
But you are telling me say yo, me terrible. Are you terrible, brother? You chop a man, woman in a truck, brother. Yo, brother, you know say yo, you want to look kill this youth, you know, because you tell me say me terrible. At least I feel me bed turn over, brother. But you do, yo, you couldn't make that the frack till they go on, man. You kill this, you know, brother. That's your bread to frack till, youth. Yo, easy, you know, brother. Yo, me don't even laugh right now, brother. Yo, you know how much frack till you could have lift up when you drive truck and you have how much money in your pocket, brother. Out of everybody, boss, eh? Yo, you should get no for you, brother. Right now, Vix, brother.
I get corrupt here talk about kill this, bro. You know how hard me try to resist the boss woman, eh? You know how the boss woman run up like where I say, brother. And then amount of time everywhere me the woman back on me peak, clock, brother. Me try everything, brother, until me the one day and say, yo, you know, so me gonna give the woman a chop life, brother. Yeah, bro. But that sure if you hold it a frack tail, but yo, me I tell you, temptation is real. Temptation is real, bro. Swear. Me look back on it still now. Boy, me get corrupt, brother. I talk about kill, so I should get no work. You can't tell a broke man say he mustn't get no work, bro.
Yo, I give you a blind, brother. Because if you're saying round as trees, then you must know. And if I follow you up and see me as I say so, I give you a blind on that, but boy, you have to go brush that off, man. You see me and go again. Because you know, say we never give up, you know. And that no in a feel mentality, you know, we never give up, you know, bro. So what you know, you can't sit down, you have to just get up, brush off that off of your shoulder, and you know, say, yo, you go out up on the road and get the bread. But what you know, don't make that happen again. You see me? Don't make that happen again. You see me? I say, I don't disrespect me, I disrespect you, but bro, I have bread. And you know, say, once you have bread, you know, say, bees follow. You see me? So, bro, what you know? I brush off that, go again. You see me? You know, no money right now to tell you the truth. You see me? I say, so, I don't know. If next week a little hustle go on, you don't know, say me can show it. You see me? I say, yo, from when we don't even play all PUBG, you know, what go on make you even online?
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Kaviz official here. This is just a short film that we made for you. We're just practicing, sharpening up our skills. Lopez, come in our picture, man.
Go on, man.
Yeah, man. No, Lopez, you know. I want Lopez, you know. My big star, you know. So I go on Lopez.
There, man, I go on easy, man. Yo, you don't know, say, from now, see we are job, nothing, I cook up something.
Yeah, man, we in a lab. We in a lab. Because you know, in time we go to work, a quality we bring. We don't bring no quality. Quantity. Because we do whole a movie, you know, and we just have one mistake and we dash you everything, you know. Because if you're not good, and you have to have a lesson in it. If you not a lesson, it don't make no sense to it over here. So just continue watch, subscribe, check out the rest of movie them on the channel. And please remember to subscribe. It help we to make movie faster.
Yeah. True, man. Yeah, man, I don't know, big up the loyal supporters, the day one supporters, them where I carry the subscribers, them like a rice grain. As I say, yeah, man, I always say this, you know, man. Big up my girlfriend, as I say.
Big up my girlfriend. Big up everybody who forget. Big up all who are watch. Everybody, just big up everybody. I can't really remember everybody name. Because anytime I call so name, I left so name, I burn me out. I don't get up a burn out because I play a couple villain role already. And in life, I'm not a villain. I'm actually a nice person. You can ask Lopez.
Ask me, brother.
I did too much things in that movie. I must have asked him. But anyway, we're glad for your support and for everybody who they are fan, day one. Who just jump in and get to know each channel. Check out the rest of the story them and get up to date. And be a part of our journey.
Yeah, man, I don't know. You don't see him, but big up the cameraman because he play a very vital role because without him we can't shoot no video, brother. So I will just big him up same way as I say, show us our love in our comment section as always. Like,
yeah, man.
Everything. You see me I say, yeah, man, because as we say, yo, you go watch you from down and so go way up at the top because we only destined for one thing and a greatness that, as I say, yeah, man.
Straight greatness. Yeah, just follow up on our journey. You won't regret it.
Yeah, man.
You won't regret it. Just like when you say, big up the cameraman. Because every time you see we don't look for we know, we look for the cameraman. We see him running the smile, but we can't go see him. Yeah, thanks for the love and support. And see you soon.
Yeah, man. Heart of love too, you see me?
Heart of love.